Hi, I'm Sachin and she's my wife Preeti. And today we're going to talk about our journey of designing our dream home. So we purchased this property in Hinjewadi Phase 3 named Eon Homes, and this was one of our dream to buy a new house for us. This was one of the best properties we saw in Pune, and we wanted to design the best possible way. So we started searching online for some possible interior designers which can help us do that. So one of my wife's friend, she recently hired an interior designer from Metamorphic Design, and we saw work done by Mr. Devendra, and we really loved that. And to be honest with you, we also compared that with some other designers, and finally we decided no, this is something which we want to go ahead with. So we approached Devendra. And so we had several rounds of discussion with him, and he was patient enough to understand what we exactly need. He would always get into the technical aspects of everything and exactly what we're looking for. So even things which we couldn't express, he would get those answers out of us by asking some very pertinent questions. So that was something I really enjoyed throughout the journey. So we just gave him the theme, what we were looking for. We just gave him in one word. Like for me, like I wanted to design a modern home. Like it was based on the modern lines, not the typical Indian traditional home, because we generally tend to see all those homes all around us. But this time I wanted to go for a modern home. So that's what I conveyed to him, and he quickly took that idea from us, and he just developed that further, and he just kept on asking us questions.
Since he was referred by my friend, I was very comfortable talking to him, and obviously I had the floral kind of design in my mind, like right from choosing the curtains, I had that floral design in my mind. And when I entered the shop, I saw the first curtain which had flowers, and I said, yes, this is what I want. And then when Devendra came in, he said, no, this is not that. And he went with a plain white kind of curtain. And we had a couple of times when I used to go for some floral design and he would deny. But then I think that all paid off, and I'm very happy to go with Metamorphic Designs and Mr. Devendra's. And the final output was very satisfying, and I think it was good that he didn't help me choose those floral design patterns in paintings, curtains, whatever I wanted.
So another important thing I conveyed to Devendra was like I wanted a house which is open enough, and it has furniture, but it is not cluttered here and there, and it should still look like an open house. So he took that idea, and so the designs, the way he made, just to give an example, like the mirrors, for example, the wardrobe mirrors, so that may have occupied some space, but he utilized the space of the walls in such a way that that space is also saved for us, and so there is a lot of openness in the house. So generally whenever we enter the house, even though you see the dining tables and those kind of things in front of you, but still you don't feel like it's like full, the house is full of furniture. That's not what the feel you get, and that's what exactly I wanted from Devendra, like, and he exactly did that for me. That was, and also the color selection, for example, on the modern lines he selected all grey and white shades, and the paintings that he selected, some abstract paintings, so those are all in line with the modern thinking, because again there also whenever we went with him, and my wife would pick up a painting which had some flowers or tree or something like that, but he would straight away say no politely, and that time sometimes it used to be annoying at times, but today if I have to honestly express myself, I would say like that was something which the best thing he did for us, because we were learning with him in the last 2-3 months. We learned with him a lot. We also, like I would say, 5% interior designers now. I would say. Even now, whenever we go to malls or some other shops, we also have that kind of thinking what he communicated to us. So that way, he has passed on some knowledge to us as well. So that was a really good experience working with him.
And Sachin, if you remember, he explained us the airflow that is going to come through the main door. And the placement
exactly.
also.
Like my wife was having a particular idea like where the dining table should be. but he insisted no, it should be at a particular location. The reason being like the air circulation in the room, that was he was trying to explain. But my wife was still hellbent on positioning that table in one particular area. But he still somehow managed to convince her that it should be in this area, this particular area only. And today, if we see, like if you open the living room sliding doors and the dry balcony door, and the air is flowing, it's like full windy home, I would say that way. And that's where I think his design was really fantastic, I would say. He had that kind of broad vision which we did not have. Obviously, we don't have that design thinking like him, but I think that's what best thing about this overall design. The furniture, the placement and everything is in such a way that it doesn't obstruct the airflow in the room. So we have a lot of fresh air moving around in the room. And other thing I would like to mention is like this was completed in pretty short time. Like we gave him a time frame of around 2 months and he delivered as promised. He ensured it's not getting, although this COVID situation, it had its own challenges, but he ensured that it's not getting delayed further. And we got this delivered in 2 months and exactly what we wanted. Yes, obviously there will always be some changes here and there to be made later, but the final product that we got was something which was really awesome, I would say. My parents especially, they really liked that, and all of them just had tears of joy in their eyes when they entered the home. So that was the most satisfying moment for all of us, and it was really worth it. So thanks to Devendra once again to deliver such a good home for us and designing the way we wanted it. And my daughter too is enjoying the home a lot. She has her own designed room, although she doesn't understand anything about it, but she is really loving it. Anything else, Preeti, you want to add?
No, I would just like to thank Mr. Devendra, and we will definitely go with him for our next home as well.
Yeah.
So see you soon.